we're Immobiliser Fit and this is the Starline Immobiliser on a 2019 Ford Ranger WildTrak. So with the customer's phone paired up, all they got to do, tap the ignition, hear a melody, they can start the vehicle. If their phone's not here, or it's gone flat one day while they're out, how they start the vehicle is through a push sequence that they choose using factory buttons. If it's not them getting in the vehicle with their phone, a thief's cloned your key, or they've broken into your house, they've stolen your key, they hop in, try and start the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. As you can see, the vehicle's not starting. So for the customer, when their phone's not here, ignition on, pop the code in that they'll obviously change on completion, hear the melody, we can start the vehicle. If the customer's taking this back to Ford and wants to get it serviced, they'll put it into service mode. The easiest way to do that is Bluetooth on, hop into the Starline key app, press and hold on this, it will spin round and go to yellow. When it does, let go. 2 bleeps, now this is a normal vehicle. So it's in service mode, no need for a code, no need for a phone, vehicle's going to start, they can drive it around, do what they need to do. When you get it back, press and hold, back to green, let go, 2 bleeps and it's protected again. There we go. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Starline Immobiliser.